I have tried it many times, but I still want to perfect the recipe before I start selling it. So I'll be baking, then taking pictures of the banana bread and putting it out, you know, making an advert so that people can reach me, and I hope it's going to go well. No, I'm always afraid of having eggshells in my when I'm cracking the egg. Said the recipe wrongly. So I have my sugar and brown sugar here. I'll be starting with that, but it doesn't really matter. You can do both. So I'm adding my eggs. Now it doesn't matter. I did it the other way around. I will not be missing it on high. So I will add in my oil. Which is my flour, baking soda, and I already added my cinnamon. It's a very easy recipe. It doesn't take so much time because today I'm not baking a lot. I'm baking just a little. I'm baking just a little batch. So it's because it's just a test. So now I'm adding my I've already mashed the bananas. So I'm going to pour it gently and stir it. Adding my chocolate that has been, so I have here dark chocolate and milk chocolate. So I'll be adding both. So for this, because it's a test product, or let's say test product, yes, I'll be having Oreo flavor. So I'm going to be having chocolate and Oreo flavor today. So I'm trying to test two different sizes. I bought this from Temio, and I'll be using this as well as my mold. I'm going to be dividing it into two. Adding my Oreo. I'm not sure how many scoop will be enough, but I'll try 1.5 scoop. Or let's say 2 scoop. I'm going to be scooping the other flavor, which is just chocolate. I'm going to pour the remaining one here. So I have like 438. I have 410 and this one was 438. I'm going to scoop some out of this one. Scoop it somewhere. So I think it's almost the same thing. So I'll be adding few Oreo on top of these ones. So I have some chocolate on this one. You can see how it came out. It came out beautifully well. This is the one with just the chocolate, and this is the Oreo portion. You can see it came out so well, so good. And the one in the mold, ooh, it came out. So I'm just going to allow it to cool for some minutes so that I can see how it is. It's very beautiful. I'm so happy the way it came out. So there will be tests. So what I'll be doing now is taking some pictures and putting it up for people to order. So hopefully I'm being hopeful that I'll get people to order this delicious banana cake. So this is the first time of me using this mold. Wow. And when I was baking it, I didn't oil the mold, or I didn't put anything in it, so I'm afraid it will stick to it. Wow, I thought it was going to stick to it, but no. So I was able to get this one out nicely. For this one, I'm not sure, it's a little bit sticky. See? It's so soft. I'm going to take some pictures for display for people to order. It came out so well. This one came out so well as well. So for these mini ones, I'm thinking of packaging it this way. So this is what I'm thinking of packaging this. When I was testing this recipe, it's so funny. I forgot something. I forgot to add butter, but I discovered that it came out beautifully well. It's not so oily. So I think from now, from this recipe, I will not add butter anymore. I'll just add the oil. But it still came out very soft, and it's not so oily. You see how chocolatey it is? Very chocolatey. Beautiful. I'm really excited that it came out so nicely. There are a few things that I learned while I was trying this recipe. The recipe called for 60 minutes in the oven, but I was able to bake this within 25 minutes. And I noticed that the mold, the silicone mold, baked very faster than this one in this aluminum foil. So it's good to perfect your craft so that when the orders start coming in, it will be easy. And it tastes so good. Oh, this is chocolate heaven. It's very delicious, very soft. Even after omitting butter, I use oil instead. It's very nice. I think even with the butter, it will be too oily, but I love this one. I better stop testing. So thank you so much. So I think I'm satisfied with this. So if you want to follow me in this journey of my own bakery, testing my recipes, Please don't forget to subscribe. Press the subscribe button. Thank you. Bye.